Hello, and welcome back to our game character creation course. In this episode, we are going to touch our character rest in the system beta. So, this is the interface of system beta, and like I started on it, I will briefly explain about the UIs and navigation and what we started the project. So, to get started on the project, you need to create a new project file. And to do that, we have to go to the files and create new here. And then maybe we will use the documents resolution or 2K and select the low poly mesh for the project. So this is the one you have to find the exporter file in your folder. So open it and just click OK. So now we have a character in our system beta. I want to give the perspective and the orthographic to get rid of the distortion, perspective distortion. So to change that, we can go to the perspective view and change it to orthographic view. So now we have a character without the distortion or perspective. Okay, so I would like to briefly explain about the navigation in the system beta. So to rotate that, you have to press Alt and then left click. And you can just rotate it right now. And if you press Alt and mouse at the bottom, you can pan it and move it around like that. And to zoom it out, you can just scroll your mouse wheel, just like any other program. Just scroll your mouse wheel to zoom in out the set. Okay, I will explain it again. Alt and left click to rotate. Alt and mouse at the bottom to pan and scroll your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Okay, and to snap to the one view, as you can press Shift like this, and you can snap to front view, right view, left view, top view, like that, using the Shift button. So you have to press Alt to rotate and Shift to snap to one view. Okay, now we can get started on it. So the technique I'm going to choose to touch on this character is using the baking techniques in system beta. To do that, we have to go to the edit and then page mesh map. Okay, and let this one. Maybe opposite. And then I will go with the 2K. And then 1K is a little bit low and 4K is high. So I will choose the middle ground and with 2K. You can play around with this baking setting, but I will show you the setting I would like to use for this kind of simple character. I will increase it to the dilation width to the highest, applying extrusion, and in the high definition method, we can choose the high resolution FBA file that we are exported from the Blender. So choose this, click this file icon, and we can choose the high resolution mesh we are exported. Okay. And then I want to increase from the map from the distance to like 0.02 and leave the real distance here. For the anti-aliasing, I think I will go with the 4x4, and you can choose the other setting. If you choose 2x2, it will take shorter time, but I will just choose the middle ground 4x4 and mesh For this character, we will just choose always. I don't think we will need the ID mask, so I will just uncheck it. And the next setting, we are going to adjust it in the ambient occlusion. So for the ambient occlusion, I will increase the secondary to the fullest, and also the minimum occlusion distance to the mask, and mask occluder distance to like 0.3. Okay, this is the setting I would like to use. You can just change the settings and experiment it yourself. So I'm just showing you the setting I use for this kind of simple character. So now we can just pick our texture by pressing paste. Okay. The detail from the high resolution map is starting to show up on our low resolution map. How we take the pick here. Here you can see the detail come to light in our low poly mesh. So to make this simple, I would like to choose only one texture map, just the base color. We don't use any other texture like roughness or metallic or normal, any other like that. So we will just remove them all. For this, our first simple character, we will just use the normal map. So we can go to the texture setting here, beside the layer tab. Press this one, and we will just remove all the other channel except the baker. But we will leave the roughness. I will show you why. Okay, and remove every channel except the base color and roughness. So remove height, metallic, normal. Also in the mesh map, we can also remove the normal, also ambient occlusion. Okay, now we got just a normal low poly mesh. I will show you how we can capture the detail without using any of the channel like normal or rough materials or anything like that. We will only use the base color. I will show you why I need the roughness. So to show you that, I will just create a new layer. There are a lot of different workflow for texturing the system painter. I will just show you the workflow I normally use. So what I will do is I will just create a face layer. Okay, by clicking this failure icon, I have created a failure. So what I would like to do first is making the blacking out everything for the base. So what I will do is I will just name it base. As you can just click on the name of the layer directly, and then you can just name it anything you like. We can name it to organize our layer in the system painter. Also, don't forget to save our system painter file. And by pressing Ctrl S, we can save it. And let's call this one. But just okay, and save. For now, we will start to touch up. As I said before, I would like to let everything out in the base of our texture. So in the as you can see, we have two channels in the material of our failure. Okay, the first one is color and first one is roughness. Okay, in the big color, I will just choose the black color. So the reason why I need the roughness channel is we don't change the roughness to like 1, and it will give up a kind of a glory, this shiny and smooth texture. I don't want that, so I will just put the roughness at 1 on the base of our layer. So we will get the kind of black and black texture right now. From now we can start adding the colors and some filter. So the most important filter I would like to add is the big light filter. So it will give you the detail bus using this filter. And we have two big light here, and the one I would like to use it, the big lighting stylight, because our character is not a realistic character, and this is a stylight character, so I would like to use the big lighting stylight filter. So we just have to click and drag it to our layer like this. Okay, make sure it's on the top. After we have done it, we can see the details on our high resolution message coming back right now. Okay, to make this simple, I will go to the base layer view or base color view in the view tab. So instead of material, just choose base color here. So we are seeing the base color of our character right now. So I would like to just this big like this, the child filter by making the lighting planet. Right now, the top part of our the child is very light and the lower part is very dark right now. So I don't want this. So what we can do is go to the base highlight, this filter here. Okay, we will get the kind of property depth right now. And in the sun sky and sun particle angle, we can change it to like 90 degrees. So we will kind of get like this blending between the light and dark part. When we do that, you can also adjust the other setting and experiment it yourself. Another thing I would like to do is in the same color, I will just pick any color like white. You get the kind of grayscale, just grayscale look to it. Keep everything white, and this brown color is okay as a gray. Okay. And now we can start to add some color to our model.